In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it takes to make over $10,000 plus per month in your affiliate marketing business.
Yeah.
Weezy out of
What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here, coming live from my bed. Yes, but this is probably going to be one of the most important videos you've ever came across pertaining to affiliate marketing. Now, basically in this video, it's going to get pretty nerdy here, but I'm pretty sure some light bulbs are going to go ahead, and this will be the difference between you being successful when it comes to paid advertisement or just in affiliate marketing in general, and how to scale your business to where whether you're or the other opposite side is basically just falling flat on your face. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be literally stepping behind the laptop, and I'm going to be breaking down a live case study of a $10,000 per month business, breaking down the numbers, showing you how everything works, and how you can literally leverage the same knowledge to basically track your numbers and scale your affiliate marketing business. So let's dig in. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you look here, there's a whole bunch of stuff over here. There's emails, there's the sell amounts, and then there's the actual dates that the sales were made. Now, I'm not sure if the emails are blocked out for personal reasons or whatever, but they may be. But I'm going to go ahead and break this down. Now, before I actually break this down, I want to show you guys proof that I actually made this income, and this isn't just like a hypothetical thing. So first and foremost, easy one up. Funnel X Advanced, ROI Panel, and Advertising Boost are 4 different affiliate marketing offers, and I'm promoting all of them with one affiliate system. This affiliate system is called Funnel X ROI, right? FunnelXROI.com. And if you look there, members log in by invitation only. If you guys don't have access to Funnel X ROI, feel free to click below. There's probably going to be somewhere either a link or a button you can click below to actually join my Team Wolf. But let's take a look here, right? So this system, basically, I don't want to get too much into detail, but it's one sales funnel that you're able to actually promote multiple affiliate offers, to keep it as simple as it gets, right? There's actually 5 total offers in this one. The other income stream, I have a whole bunch of trials, so I'm just only doing the breakdown for 4 of the 5 different income streams. But the first one is Easy One Up. I gathered all the information from my Stripe account, right? Because I collect payments with Stripe. So it says 8,150, but the actual number is 9,000. Then there's the Funnel X Advanced, which is 411. I believe I rounded it to about like 400. And then there's the ROI panel. I believe I rounded it to about 1,550. Then there's the advertising boost, right? Now, if we look at this Excel spreadsheet, so the first thing that we want to do, right, is we want to go ahead and calculate what our total revenue earned. Now, the reason why it's important to find the total revenue earned is because that's what's literally going to allow us to figure out certain numbers, like a couple of things. We'll cover that in a second, right? So basically, the total for Easy One Up was 9,000. The total for Funnel X Advanced was 400. The total for ROI Panel was 1,550. And the total for Advertising Boost was 9,074 and 80 cents, right? Now, after I added all the total amount, the next step was basically adding them together, which was $11,925, right? I have the dates, I have the sales, I have everything, right? And this is roughly in about a month, right? About 4 to 5 weeks. Now, basically, after you find your total revenue, right, here's the next step. So what I do is I use a software called ClickMagick, right? Now, if we look here, my total unique clicks is $3,963. Or excuse me, $3,963. Now, This may be a reality check to some people, right? My total clicks are 5,785. My unique clicks is 3,963. Now, a lot of people think, okay, let me go ahead and buy 100 clicks and then I'll go ahead and get rich. Or I'll buy 500 clicks and I'll get rich. This is where like the light bulb may click. And this is where I'm actually going to be showing you of what it really takes to make $10,000 per month, right? So that's almost 4,000 clicks to my video sales letter. That's not 3,000 clicks to my sales funnel. That's to my video sales letter. So basically, right, if we divide $11,925 divided by 3,963 clicks, that's a total EPC, earnings per click, of $3. Now, feel free to do it yourself. I'm not going to break it down. I already did it earlier to make this video quicker. Feel free to do the math yourself if you want to follow along. But $11,925, right, divided by 3,963 clicks is a total earning per click of $3 total, right? So what that means is, hypothetically, every time somebody clicked my video sales letter, a unique click, right, that I earned $3. So now that I know that, now the next target number that I'm looking for is, okay, how much is it going to cost me to actually get clicks, right? So this is how we figure that out. Now, basically, first and foremost, I'm just going to go ahead and do a hypothetical situation. I'm going to actually pull up a real live campaign, right, that I'm currently running. So if you notice, guys, this specific campaign, I've gained 1,900 leads. I've spent $1,500. And the important number here is the cost per lead. And this is what Facebook adds. Now, the reason why this is important, and this is where it gets a little bit hypothetical, because my numbers are actually better than this, but I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys numbers to where it makes a little bit more sense. But basically, my cost per lead is 80 cents per lead, right? Now, if you look here, my cost per lead is 80 cents per lead. Now, where not hypothetically, where I'm sending these people to is my sales funnel. So I'm using ClickFunnels, right? So here's my actual sales funnel that I'm sending people to. Now, if we look here, if we look at the stats here, you can see like I'm getting pretty decent amount of clicks, right? So in the last week, I got 2,000 unique clicks. But that's not what's important. What's important is how many clicks get to my video sales letter. Now, basically, this is the important number right here. 635 people got to the pre-sale page, right? Those are opt-ins, and opt-in means they go to my landing page. After they go to my landing page, then they put in their email, and then they go to the next step. Now, that's where they land right here. Now, if you look, guys, basically 606 people landed on my pre-sale page. Now, the next step that's important is figuring out, okay, what is my click-through rate? And the way you can do that is with ClickMagick, right? Now, I've already done this in the past to figure out what my click-through rate was. When I was doing it, it was anywhere from 60 to 80%. But just to be hypothetical, I'm going to say 50%. And the way you figure out what your click-through rate is simply by having like a ClickMagick link, for example, or our ROI panel link, depending on what you're using for your tracker. And basically with like ROI panel or ClickMagick, what you do is for every 100 clicks to your pre-sale page, for example, if I wanted to do it, if we go back to this example, let's just say I put us one link on this specific pre-sale page for the week. And let's just say out of these 606 clicks, out of these 606 clicks on ClickFunnels, let's just say I go to ClickMagick for that specific link, and that link on ClickMagick said 303. What that means is for every person who lands on my pre-sale page, right, 50% of them decide to go to the next step. I want you to make sure you understand that. If I have 606 people click my pre-sale page, and then 303 people click the call to action button, and I'll actually show you guys. So here's my pre-sale page. So let me go back to the actual funnel. I'll show you guys my pre-sale page. I don't care. So pre-sale page or thank you page. Where are we? Facebook ads. So here's my landing page actually. So what happens is they put in their email to one of these pages, and then the next step after they put in their email, they get access to this thank you page, or excuse me, yeah, the thank you page or pre-sale page. Now basically what happens is once they get to this pre-sale page, they can either leave or they can go to the next step. The next step is that ClickMagick link. Once they go ahead, I'll just show you guys. So once they visit this page and they click this button, they watch the video, they click this button, they click through to the next step, what's gonna happen is it's gonna go ahead and register with ClickMagick, right? So if 606 people show up on this page and 303 people click the ClickMagick link, that means there's a 50% click-through rate, right? Now, what does that mean? Why is that even an important number, right? That means 1 out of 2 of the clicks will go to the next step, right? And that's how we're gonna go ahead and calculate our number, right? So if it costs us 80 cents per lead, and 1 out, let me actually write it here. 1 out of 2 leads click to the next page. That means basically it takes 2 people for me to get a click. I'm talking about a click to my VSL, my video sales letter, because that's what I'm actually being charged for. Right? That's not what I'm being charged for. That's what I did my EPCs for, my earnings per click for my video sales letter. So I want to see how much I'm being charged per click. Now, if 2 people, right, per click, remember 2 times 80 cents, right? So 80 cents per lead. So it takes me 2 leads. There we go. That makes more sense. So it takes me 2 leads to get a click to my video sales letter, or my sales video, however you want to call it. Now that I know that information, it takes 2, which is times 80 cents. That means my total cost per click, and I'm talking about cost per click to my video sales letter, is $1.60. Now guys, earlier we literally broke down 3,963 clicks. Off of those clicks, we made $11,925. My earnings per click was $3. I just showed you guys how to learn the cost per click is. Literally, if I was to, here, this is what I'm being charged per lead, right? 80 cents with the specific campaign. And with that being said, my click-through rate is about 50%. So that means hypothetically I'm being charged $1.60 per click, and I'm earning $3 per click. Now, what does that mean to me as an advertiser? Basically, what that means is for every $1.60 that I spend as a marketer, I'm going to earn $3 back. Now that I know this information, I'm going to go ahead and invest more of my invest more money into my advertisement, right? Now, what are some ways that we can go ahead and change these numbers, right? Basically, the way that we can go ahead and increase our earnings per click, right, is if the clicks remain the same, right? The clicks remain the same, but let's just say we have better, let's just say conversion rates, meaning conversions per click. If I'm doing my email marketing and I'm getting people to actually upgrade more, so I'm getting more people to actually take advantage of my offer, but I'm just providing better marketing material, better persuasion, etc., increasing my conversions on the back end, then what will happen is I'm going to go ahead and keep the same clicks. So my clicks currently are, where are we? So I'm going to click. So let's just say this was the same, $3,963. But for example, let's just say I had more sales, right? More sales or even higher ticket sales. What would happen is, let's just say my it doubled. Hypothetically, it was 23,000, just to be round. Let's just say 24,000. So 11,925 times 2. Let's just say my conversions were crazy and I made $22,000 off of the same amount of clicks. What that means, my EPC would go up to $6 per earnings per click. Now, because I increased my EPCs, what that means is I can afford to spend more on advertisement. So meaning if I'm getting leads for a higher price, it's okay because I'm earning a lot on the back end. So the moral of the story is this: you want to go ahead and increase your conversions on the back end, meaning the way you increase your conversions is simply better follow-ups, more value with your email marketing, a whole bunch of things. I mean, just use your mind of things that you can use to get people to actually convert to buy what it is you're selling. Retargeting ads, whatever that looks like. Instead of cold traffic and you're doing retargeting ads, you're going to get a better conversion rate, right? So there's different things that you can do to get people to convert. That's number one, right? That's going to go ahead and increase our earnings per click. And then the next step that we can do to reduce our cost to acquire a customer or to acquire a click is by optimizing our sales funnels and optimizing our advertisement. So when we do that, we're going to go ahead and increase our revenue, and we're going to go ahead and minimize our expenses, and overall we're going to go ahead and increase our profit. Now, what is the takeaways that we want to take from here? Basically, figure out what your overall revenue is for a set period of time, right? Run your numbers, right? See what your EPCs are. And once you figure out what your earnings per clicks are, then you can start running your numbers. Now, let's just say you're at break even. Okay, even if you're at break even, let's just say I'm spending $3, but I'm earning $3. If you're building an email list, right, that's good. If I was spending $3 and earning $3, I'd be happy because I'm literally getting free leads. Now, it just so happens that I'm actually building a list at a profit. So, I mean, the way you're going to go ahead and get into profit is basically get cheaper leads, quality though. Just because they're cheap doesn't mean they're quality. You want quality leads, but you want to go ahead and get that better, lower and lower. And the way you do that is by optimizing your advertisement, optimizing your funnels, and then basically getting better at your follow-up process to increase your ROI. So with that being said, that's basically the live case study of a $10,000 per month business. I'm definitely going to go ahead and scale that now that I know my numbers. I just thought it would be the perfect time to actually shoot this video, but I'm going to scale this business up to $20,000, then $30,000 per month, then $50,000 per month, and so on, right? You think I'm kidding? I'll go ahead and literally go ahead and update you guys once I do. Every time I reach a new income bracket, I'll go ahead and update you guys. And the only way you can scale is if you know your numbers. So many people try to just throw money at advertisement. They're not optimizing their ads. They're not optimizing their funnels. They're not optimizing their follow-up process. And they're wondering why they're not making money. Guys, the way you make money is knowing your numbers, doing the math. Once you do the math, it's literally, you're not gambling. It's calculated risk. You know exactly what you're walking into. And the more money you make, the more accurate your data. Right, so this still isn't as accurate as I want it to be, so I'm just going to go ahead and monitor these numbers closely, continue to run my numbers, continue to scale, right? And with that being said, that's basically how you go ahead and run your numbers to see whether you're in profit or not, and then once you figure out whether you're in profit or not, you go ahead and scale. And that's literally the only way you're going to be successful when it comes to paid advertisement and affiliate marketing.